Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, I'm Nadia and my friends class 2B. Introducing, my name is Arla Maulia Putri and both my friends Siti Nur Aini and Nailida Desiana Hasan Okyar. So here I will explain materials about noun, pronoun, and adjectives. For the first material on noun, I will explain it now. Noun are words that are used to identify a class of people, places, or things. In other words, a noun is the form of people, animal, or other object. The noun itself also consists of two types, namely concrete noun and abstract noun. Concrete noun is something that can be captured with the five senses, can be seen or touched. Example, I put my phone on the table. We need some glasses. Do you need mirror? Please come meet my sister in the market. There are 5 points related to noun, that is common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, and compound noun. Abstract noun is noun that cannot be seen with the five senses, cannot be seen or heard. Example, we should have knowledge, what is your happiness, and we must be diligent in drinking water to be healthy.
Oke teman-teman, tadi adalah penjelasan materi noun dari Arla. Sekarang saya akan melanjutkan penjelasan materi tentang pronoun. Pronouns as part of speech are the words which are used in place of nouns like people, place, or things. We use pronouns to make clear whom or what we are talking about, while avoiding confusing or clumsy repetition. And then, types of pronouns. Pronouns have 7 types. There are personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, reflexive and intensive pronouns, and reciprocal pronouns. The first, personal pronouns. Personal pronouns used for a specific object or person. On subjective case, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. And objective case, me, us, you, them, him, her, it. And possessive case, my, our, your, their, his, her, its. And then demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns used to show our identity, one or a number of nouns that might be far or near in distance or time. This, that, that, and those. For example, this is my bicycle. And the third, interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns used to ask questions about a person or object that we don't know about. Who, whom, which, what, wherever, and whichever. And fourth, and then relative pronoun. Relative pronoun used to join or relate to different clauses together by referring to the noun in the previous clause using the pronouns who, whom, whose, which, that. And then indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns used to show unspecified object or people, whether in plural, or in singular, like somebody, someone, anybody, anyone, nowhere, few, many, nothing. And six, reflexive and intensive pronoun. Reflexive and intensive pronoun used to indicate a noun which has been used in an earlier part of the same sentence. Myself, themselves, yourselves, ourselves, herself, himself, itself. And the last, reciprocal pronouns. Reciprocal pronouns used when two or more nouns are doing or being the same to one another, like each other and one another.
Tadi adalah materi penjelasan pronouns dari Aini. Selanjutnya saya akan menjelaskan tentang adjective. Adjectives are descriptive words that are used to modify a noun or pronoun. They make written and spoken English more precise and descriptive. Adjectives in English grammar are used to describe people, place, animal, and things. We can use them to describe feelings, quality and characteristic, nationality and origin, age, size and measurement, color, material and shape, and judgment or other value. Different kinds of adjective. There are different kinds of adjective. There are 1. Descriptive adjective. Among the different kind of adjectives, descriptive adjectives are probably the most common on us. They simply say something about the quality or the kind of noun or pronoun they are referring to. Example, Alina is beauty. He is tired. Nayan's reflexes are amazing. Adjective of number or adjective of quantity. As the name suggests, this is kind of adjective answer the question, like how many or how much. Example, 21 students failed exam. The plants need more water. 3. Demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives point out pronouns and nouns, and always come before the word they are referring to. Example, I used to buy this kind of shirts when the old man tripped over that wire. He dropped a whole bag of groceries. 4. Possessive adjective. Obviously, this kind of adjective shows ownership or passion. Aside from that, possessive adjective always come before the noun. Example, I can answer my seat work because I don't have a calculator. Trisha sold his dog. 6. Interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives ask questions and are always followed by a noun. Example, what movie are you watching? Or which plants should be placed over here? The degrees of adjective. There are only 3 degrees of level of adjective, also known as degrees of compression, namely positive, comparative, and superlative. When you talk about or describe only a single person, place, or thing, you should use the positive degree. Example, she's a beautiful girl. It was a memorable moment. If on the other hand, you are comparing 2 persons, place, or things, it is appropriate to use the comparative degree of the word. Normally, you will need to add or to transform the word into its comparative from or add the word more. Also, the word then should be added after the adjective in the comparative degree. Example, this library is bigger than that one. Anji is more intelligent than Andin.
This explanation of our group material. If there are any word, we sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.